Hey everyone, it's Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. This is a compact portable power wheelchair called the Smartie. And I think they call it the Smarties because it's what they quote enviro-friendly, and it even says it on the side of the chair. If you may have seen another power chair that's from Shoprider, it's called the Jimmy. Basically, these two chairs are identical. The main thing that's different is this one has a lithium battery and the Jimmy has a sealed lead acid. That makes a big difference when you disassemble it because the heaviest piece on the Smartie is 29 pounds. So if you're capable of lifting 29 pounds, this might be a good choice for you. Plus, because it has a lithium battery, it's going to last longer. The warranty on the lithium for this is a year compared to the sealed lead acid, which is 6 months. So let's show you a little bit more about the Smartie. I'm going to start in the back here. So we've got anti-tip wheels. It's going to prevent you from tipping backwards if you go up a steep incline. You'll notice that there's two levers. These are the free wheel levers. If I push them both down, it puts it into free wheel. And if I turn off the joystick completely, now I can push it. So you can use this as a walker if you wanted to, kind of stretch your legs, or if you ran out of battery life, this is how you would push it. But just keep in mind, if I turn this on, I can't operate the joystick because it's in free wheel. So if I power it back off, lift both of these up, put it back into drive, now I can use the chair. These are flat free tires on the front and rear. These are 8-inch, those are 6-inch. Now as far as the seat, we'll show you this. This is more of like a stadium style seat. It has a higher back, there's no headrest on this. If I look at the width of this, we're looking at about 19 inches by 17, and then seat to the top of the seat back. It's going to be about 19, 18 and a half, 19. Ground to the top of the seat, looking at about 19 and a half inches. Now while we're on the front, I'll show you, you can make some adjustments at the foot plate. There's a pin here, you can extend it out further. There's 4 notches. I'll actually show you, I'll take it out so you can put it in whatever notch is most comfortable for you. And then just line up the holes and you can lock that into place. And there's another pin right here. This will allow you to adjust the foot plate up or down. There we go. Now I got it lined up and I'm going to put the pin in. So we got a length adjustable, height adjustable foot plate. It does flip up. Now with the seat, you'll see there's a little lever here. So I can adjust it back and slightly, or you can just fold it down when you're transporting. Now if I move around to the back, I'll show you. There is an accessory hitch here, so you can add things to the back like a rear basket. There's not any storage on this. Actually, there's a little bit right here. There's a pouch on the back. If you wanted some storage, you can add a rear basket. You can add an oxygen tank holder, cane holder, crutch holder. Just go to our product page to see what's available. You also notice there's knobs here. You can adjust the width of the armrest to extend them out. If you felt like that wasn't enough seating area, you can also adjust the height of the armrest as well. So you have width and height adjustable armrest. One other thing I'll show you here is the joystick. They do flip, the armrests do flip up. That's one thing to notice. And they are angle adjustable. You can adjust this bolt to make the angle to the right desired for you. You got a charging port right here. It's where you charge the battery. This will adjust the bracket for the joystick, so you can get it however long you want and then lock it into place. You'll notice that there's a mounting bracket underneath here. So if you are left-handed, you have to tell us before ordering, so we make sure the bracket is on this side. Now, as far as the controls on the joystick, we'll show you that real quick. You got your battery life here at the top. Here's your on-off switch. You got a horn and your speed control. Your top speed on this is just under 4 miles per hour. It's a pretty simple joystick. Now let me show you how to disassemble. So very first thing we're going to do is unplug the power supply at the base. So I just pull this right out. Next, I'm going to fold this seat back down, just like that. And there is the screw here. You have to loosen this to take this off to give you the ability to remove the seat. So don't lose this. Once I do that, now the seat will pop right off. And then from here, if I lift the seat post, I can just pull this yellow lever here, and this will disconnect the rear wheels from the front half portion. And this is the heaviest part, so 29 pounds, because the battery is in here. One thing to note though, this lithium battery is not an airline approved lithium battery. So the Smartie is not approved for airline travel, whereas the Jimmy is. And as far as putting it back on, there's a bar here, comes across, and you'll see there's two little divots here. You just line this bar up to put into these little divots. And then once I get them in, I just push it down and it locks right into place. And then put the peg into the seat post. Don't forget to put this back on. You probably could ride it with this being off, but I think it's better to secure it just in case. Just like that. And then of course the power supply, you want to plug that back in. And that's it. This is the Smartie. The Smartie comes with Shoprider's manufacturer's warranty, which is an excellent warranty. They have really good support. And in fact, a lot of these Shoprider chairs and scooters are really well made. We barely get any complaints or any questions about anything as far as things going wrong. In fact, we throw in a 1-year in-home service contract that's included. That's part of our warranty. So if anything goes wrong in the first year using this, we'll send a technician to your home to diagnose that issue. And that's how confident we are in the Shoprider brand. We actually have never even utilized the in-home service contract before. That just shows how great the quality is of these products. So call us if you have any questions, 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful so you can learn more about the Smartie.